you looking for an efficient way to commute around your city or just to have some fun exploring around? I'm Megan with WTI, and in my opinion, this CUNFON RS500 scooter is great for accomplishing both of these things. I have enjoyed riding around on this scooter so much. It has a few different modes to toggle between, and depending on which one you choose, it can go quite fast. I feel like it's very solidly built and it's very stable, and I love the wider foot deck, so I feel very secure when I'm riding it. We do have some rough surfaces and minor bumps in the road, but I found that this scooter can handle it no problem. Once I'm going a certain speed for a few seconds, it just automatically continues to go that speed, and I don't need to keep my finger on the throttle. This is just such a well thought out feature. The anti-theft fingerprint detection is so cool, and I really like the extra security that this feature gives. Lately, I have always been looking for a chance to take this awesome scooter out for a spin, but that's just my point of view.